Shani is embodied in the planet Saturn. Shani is the lord of Saturday. The word Shani also denotes the seventh day or Saturday in most Indian languages. Shani is a Deva and son of Surya and his wife Chaya, that is shadow goddess, and hence also known as Chaya Putra. He is the cousin of Yama, the Hindu god of death. It is said that when he opened his eyes as a baby for the very first time, the sun went into an eclipse, which clearly denotes the impact of Shani on astrological charts. He is known as the greatest teacher. Shani Dev is said to be very harmful to those who follow the path of betrayal, backstabbing, and unjust revenge. He is known in Hindu scriptures as the greatest trouble giver as well as the greatest well-wisher. He is depicted dark in color, clothed in black, holding a sword, arrows, and two daggers, and variously mounted on a black vulture. God Surya was married to Kanya Sangya. Sangya could not tolerate the radiance of God Surya. She used to feel that by doing penance, she could increase her brilliance, or by the power of her penance, she could diminish the glare of God Surya. From God Surya, she had three children. One was Vaivastva Manu, the second was Yamraj, and the third was Yamuna or Yami. Sangya loved her children very much, but she was very upset with the radiance of God Surya. One day, she thought that she would separate from God Surya, go far away to a lonely forest, and undertake great penance. By using the magical potion created by her father Vishwakarma, Sangya created a Chaya, that is, shadow of herself. After handing over the children to Chaya, Sangya told her that Chaya would thereafter play the role of womanhood and nurse her three children. She cautioned her that she must remember that she was Chaya, not Sangya, and nobody should know this difference. The union of God Surya and Chaya begot three children. God Surya and Chaya were happy with each other. Surya never doubted anything. The children of Chaya were Manu, God Shani, and Putri Bhadra. As per the second story, the creation of God Shani was the result of Maharishi Kashyap's great yagna. When God Shani was in the womb of Chaya, Shiva Bhaktini Chaya was so engrossed in penance of God Shiva that she did not care even for her food. She prayed so intensely during her penance that the prayers had a profound influence on the child in her womb. As a result of such a great penance of Chaya, without food and shade in the blazing sun, the complexion of God Shani became black. When God Shani was born, Surya was surprised to see his dark complexion. He began to doubt Chaya. He insulted Chaya by saying that this was not his son. From birth itself, God Shani had inherited the great powers of his mother's penance. He saw that his father was insulting his mother. He saw his father with a cruel gaze. As a result, his father's body was charred black. The horses of God Surya's chariot stopped. The chariot would not move. Worried, God Surya called out to God Shiva. God Shiva advised God Surya and explained to him about what had happened. That is, because of him, the respect of mother and child had been tarnished and insulted. God Surya accepted his fault and apologized, and regained his earlier glorious looks and the power of his chariot's horses. Since then, God Shani became a good son to his father and mother and an ardent disciple of God Shiva. Shani Dev was married to Chitrarath's daughter Neela Devi, who is also known as Damini. Yamraj, Yamuna, Vaivasthamanu, Savarnamanu, Karn, Sugriv, Revant, Bhadra, Bhaya, Natsya and Dasra are the siblings of Lord Shani. It is said that God Shani, soon after his birth, showed a glimpse of his nature to his father God Surya. God Shani, who symbolizes righteousness and justice, creates Sadesati. Sadesati is a period of 7.5 years. Shani takes 30 years to traverse all the 12 planets. He stays 2.5 years in one Rasi or sun sign. In Sadesati, a great deal of misery, trouble, fearsome disease, excess sorrow, loss of money, blame, insult, illness, imprisonment, etc. are undergone. By taking the help of Vedic Vidhi and the mantras, the fearful effects of Sadesati can be reduced. When one is affected by Sadesati, one should make use of prayer as a boatman and cross the river of bad times. In religious texts, Shani Dev has been described as having a color similar to the Neelamani, that is sapphire. Shani is always dressed in blue clothes and gold jewelry. Generally, he is mounted on crow and vulture. Lord Shani is depicted in a Chaturbuja, that is four-armed forms. He holds a bow, arrow, trident and Varamudra in his forearms respectively. Lord Shani is also mounted on elephant, horse, donkey, lion, jackal, etc. Shani Deva's chariot is made of iron. According to Vedic astrology, the lord of Pushya, Anuradha and Uttarabhadrapada constellations is Lord Shani, that is Saturn. Shani is considered the lord of Capricorn and Aquarius zodiac signs, and he transits in each zodiac sign for approximately 30 months, that is about 2.5 years. Sapphire is the favorite gem of Shani. Shani's 3rd, 7th and 10th visions are considered. Saturn is the enemy of the Surya, Chandra and Mangal and a friend of Budh and Shukra. Shani has a neutral attitude towards Guru. When Shani is in a negative position in the birth chart, it causes Vata dosha disorders, tremors, bone and dental diseases. The Mahadasha of Shani Deva lasts for 19 years. Thank you so much for watching the video. Kindly subscribe to my channel for more such interesting content.